Hi there, I'm Marie. Today, I want to share with you how I grow black-eyed pea sprouts. I grew black-eyed pea sprouts as an experiment and was pleasantly surprised at how well they turned out. These sprouts are highly nutritious and also known to be high in antioxidants. Use a colander with a wide bottom and a matching container that can catch liquid. Any regular peas available from grocery stores will do. I'm using 3/4 of a cup or 180 grams. Soak the peas for 4 to 6 hours. You know your peas have soaked long enough when they have tripled in size. Now, rinse them a couple of times. Swirl it around to loosen dust and impurities. Once they've been cleaned, drain off the water. Be sure not to leave any standing water in the lower tray. Then cover them and let the sprouting process begin. It's important not to expose them to light so they sprout quicker and also taste sweeter. Leave the peas in a cool place. They do best in room temperature between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, which is approximately 18 to 27 Celsius. By the way, be sure to rinse the peas every 12 hours to get them hydrated. I'll show you how I do that when I return in 24 hours. Okay, this is the end of day 1. Let's look at them close up. Their little tails have just started appearing. Now, rinse thoroughly to keep them clean and hydrated. Be careful not to hit the peas with a strong water flow. Swirl gently so we don't break their roots. Keeping them clean prevents mold from forming. Do this twice a day or every 12 hours. I'll be back tomorrow to show you their progress. This is the end of day 2. They have grown quite a bit. Their roots are half an inch or longer. Rinse them again. Set them aside and we'll check back again tomorrow. We are at the end of day 3. They have grown a lot in the last 24 hours. I would estimate they are almost 2 inches long and ready to be harvested. In a moment, I'll show you a bit more about the best time to harvest. Most of the seed coverings fall off during sprouting. They're soft and it's perfectly alright to eat them. Okay, on the right side are 3-day-old sprouts. Those on the left side are 5 days old. These are turning brown and forming leaves. They have reached a stage where they are unpalatable. So harvest yours before they turn brown, usually between 3 and 4 days. Now I'll show you my favorite ways to serve these sprouts. They taste great stir-fried. Just add a few other ingredients to spice them up. Do your usual stir-fry or saute. I also add them to noodle soup for a well-balanced meal. Like most other bean sprouts, they can be eaten raw. I like them in my noodle salads. By the way, if this is your first time eating this raw, I suggest trying a small amount first. Some people may be allergic to certain raw foods. Thank you for watching. I have several microgreen videos on my channel you may find useful. I invite you to check them out. Bye for now.